Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use environment system in your project and make some actions. So we have Unity demo scene, we have our environment system in that scene, we have some configuration here, and we want to make some rain, for example. We have 3 weather presets: clear, fog and rain. We have all of the configuration, and we made some trigger on sunset with our environment system and made instruction to start a rain. In our demo there is rain weather preset. You can find it here. Look at its configuration and make everything you want with it. Now we'll hit play and see how it works. So sunset is at 8 and we see that, and yes, we have a rain here. It started and going well. Now let's create a trigger to make clear weather again. I will make it here. So no, I will create an empty game object or 3D object cube. Where it? Yeah. Place it here. Now we'll make a trigger. Trigger enter, player, environment, set weather preset, environment system, preset, clear preset. Yeah. Now take a look at clear preset. Yes. Okay. Let's hit play. 6 o'clock we'll have rain. Yeah, rain has started, and now we want clear preset. We see that the rain is out. Now we're making some cube that will set random weather preset and add hours to our current time. Let's check it. Yeah, it is rain now. Oh, it is fog weather preset. Now another example of conditions. So when we are in this cube, so we call these conditions where time between this range. So we set weather clear. Let's start it. Okay, at 6 we have rain. Yeah, now we are going here and nothing happens because current time is not in range between 6 and 15. We must wait before 6 will appear, and then this trigger will fire. And we're here again, it's 6 o'clock. Yeah, the rain has stopped and we have a clear weather preset. From version 101 there will be save system to save your weather and current time, so don't forget to add environment save to your environment system. Because without it you can't do load and save and load games. So that's it.